Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about another standard function model, that is GN invoice create. This function model is used for external billing interface. For example, there might be a requirement to create invoices based on specific conditions, like invoice should be created ship to customer wise or shipment number wise, country of the ship to customer, or transportation planning point, shipment wise. So in the logistics document flow, after delivery is created, we do shipment. So if we want to create invoices based on shipment wise, suppose one shipment contains more than 10 deliveries. In this case, we are expecting system to create single invoice for all the 10 deliveries, and that should happen for the shipment wise. In a standard way, we can't achieve this. However, SAP provided one standard FM, that is GN invoice create. With help of this invoice FM, we can create the invoicing documents as per our requirement. So now let's understand how we should use this FM and what tables that we need to fill before calling this FM, and what data that we will retrieve after this FM is called. Okay, now let's understand one by one. So first and foremost thing is that we should fill the table XKOMFK. This is billing communication table. So this XKOMFK table, internal table, it is not a standard database table. It is a runtime table. In ABAP, we call as an internal table. So this table should populate the data, which documents that we are expecting to create invoices. You see here that FM GN invoice create, we have a parameter XKOMFK, and it's a table. This table we need to fill it. So in one of my project, we are filling these parameters like mandate, that's a client, AVRT document type, FKARA billing type, VGBEL delivery number or order number, and billing document category, currency, sales organization, sold to customer, invoicing date or invoicing type or pricing date. So whatever the data that we are going to use to create the invoice, those data we can pass in the XKOMFK table. If we are going to create the invoice for more than one reference documents, more than one deliveries or more than one sales orders, then we should apply the loop on the table. Then we should fill the XKOMFK structure. Okay, in the GN invoice create, we have some exporting parameters available. Few of them are, you see here, with posting. In with posting, if we maintain A or B, then what does it mean is that after saving the invoice, accounting document will be generated immediately. Coming to this I underscore without refresh, if it has been mentioned as X means the data won't be refreshed. So every time when the invoice is created, then the standard system will try to refresh all the data that has been used so far to create the invoice will be refreshed. If we want to refresh, then we can mention X. So if we don't want to refresh, mention X here. If we want to refresh, give it blank. Now coming to this ID node dialog, during processing of the invoice, if we get any dialogs screens, then they should be displayed or not. If it has been maintained as X